If you've ever entered something wrong in QuickBooks Online and suddenly your entire report looks off, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a journal entry the right way. This is a simple process, but missing one step can cause confusion in your books, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to QuickBooks Online. On the top right corner, click Sign In, enter your email and password, and you'll land on your QuickBooks homepage. Once you're logged in, all the tools you need to access journal entries are just a few clicks away. Now it's time to find the entry you want to delete. To do that, go over to the Reports tab. From here, scroll to the section called For My Accountant, and then click on the journal report. This report shows every journal entry in your system, arranged by date, transaction type, and more. Simply scan through the list and locate the entry you want to remove. Pay attention to the date, amount, or reference numbers to make sure you're selecting the correct one. Once you found it, click directly on that journal entry to open it. This brings up the full details, letting you double check everything before you take action. It's always a good idea to make sure this is the exact entry you want to delete, especially if multiple people manage the same books. Now for the final step. At the bottom of the journal entry window, look for the More button, click it, and you'll see an option that says Delete. Select that, and a confirmation pop-up will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to delete this?" If you're confident, click Yes, and QuickBooks will permanently remove the entry from your records. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your books by deleting an unwanted journal entry in QuickBooks Online. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and clear tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.